On August 17, 2026, Solana pressed the button. Alpenglow went live on mainnet. It's the biggest upgrade in Solana's history since launch in 2020. We're replacing the entire consensus mechanism of a running chain without stopping it, while it carries real money. Transaction finality drops from 12.8 seconds to about 150 milliseconds. That's 100 times faster than a Visa card authorization. Hi, I'm Tom, and welcome to Tom Talks Blockchain. Today, the first upgrade turned in its exam. EP2, I planted a flag. If this false upgrades land cleanly, I'm bullish on Solana's next phase. Today's episode is, at its core, an inspection. Solana's consensus for 6 years was proof of history plus TowerBFT. Alpenglow retires both and installs Votor and Rotor. One era ends, another begins. Finality isn't just success, it's when a transaction becomes irreversible. Ethereum takes 12.8 minutes. Solana's old way took 12.8 seconds. Alpenglow targets 0.15 seconds. If 80% of stake participates, we hit the 150 milliseconds fast path. Votes now move off-chain, aggregated into a single certificate. It's faster and far more efficient. The most underrated part? Vote transactions disappear. Before this, 75% of Solana's block space was spent just on its own internal voting. Now, that's released to users. With lower cost, the minimum profitable stake drops from nearly 5,000 SOL to just 450. The barrier to entry falls from institution-sized to reachable by a serious individual. Most media gets this wrong. Alpenglow ships in phases. Votor is live now, but Rotor comes later. Today's chain is a hybrid. New voting, but the old propagation layer. The independent client Fire Dancer now carries roughly 40% of stake. Client diversity was a weak spot in EP2. That gap is now closing at a visible pace. Cold water. An upgrade is not a pump. SOL is around $75. Alpenglow doesn't change next month's price. It changes the class of applications Solana can credibly serve. 4 threads, 2 green lights on tech and the ecosystem, and 2 still under observation for revenue quality and institutional scale. We are clearly further along now. Something that has run for 0 days deserves humility. Votor is a consensus with 0 production history. The real exam is the first extreme market congestion event. Watch these 5 metrics: outages, measured finality, validator trends, and the Rotor timeline. They are more honest than any price analysis. Holders need to do nothing. But remember, anything asking for your seed phrase to upgrade is a scam. No exceptions. Please warn your friends. Alpenglow is the boldest engineering operation this industry has attempted. The odds on the Solana bet got better today. I'm Tom. Thanks for watching.